Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I'm going to tell you 6 problems with this OnePlus 6. So let's get started. So before getting into this video, I just want to say that no phone is a perfect phone. Every phone has its own pros and its own cons. This OnePlus 6 has many amazing things, but also it has some bad things. And today in this video, we are going to talk about some of its bad things. So let's get into the video. So the number one problem is its battery life. So this OnePlus 6 have 3330 mAh battery, which is not that great. Again, if you are a casual user, if you are a very light user, then it will last you for a full working day. But if you are a heavy user, which you will be, that's why you're buying OnePlus 6, then it will hardly last you for a full working day. You have to charge it twice a day. But again, the good thing is that it has dash charging. So it just takes 30 minutes of top up to last it for a full working day if you are a heavy user. So the second problem is its glass back. Yes, if you go with the OnePlus 6 mirror glass variant, you have to face bunch of problems. Although it looks very beautiful, elegant, in short, it looks amazing. But after all, it's a glass which makes it very fragile. I know it's Gorilla Glass 5, but trust me, Gorilla Glass also breaks. Again, it's good for preventing scratches, but it's not good for drops. If you accidentally drop your OnePlus 6, not only you will break its front display, but also you will break its back glass, and the cost to repair these damages will be big because they are Gorilla Glass 5, which will make it more costly. The third problem is also related with the glass back. The glass back of this OnePlus 6 makes it very slippery to hold. Also, it makes the phone little heavy. Also, you have to deal with the fingerprint smudges, which will make your phone look ugly, again because of the glass back. But again guys, you can prevent all these problems by putting a back cover, which the OnePlus have provided in the box. And I have to say, the back cover they have provided in the box is really good. Not only it will provide you a good grip in your hand, but also it will protect this OnePlus 6 from accidental drops. So the problem number 4 is its speaker. So this OnePlus 6 is a flagship phone, but then also it's not having stereo type speaker. It's only having mono speaker at its bottom side. I don't know why OnePlus is not providing stereo type speaker, although the base variant costs 35,000. I think they are keeping it for OnePlus 6T. But the mono speaker they have provided with this OnePlus 6 is not loud at all. Although the sound quality is pretty good, but its sound loudness is very low. This is how it sounds. Also, the sound output via its audio jack is not that great. So if you are looking at a smartphone especially for the entertainment purpose, this phone is not for you. The problem number 5 is lack of SD card slot. So this OnePlus 6 have dual SIM card slot, as you can see here, but it's not having slot for SD card. Also, no OnePlus phone have ever had SD card slot. I don't know why OnePlus is not providing SD card slot, because most of the flagship phones today they are providing SD card slot. I don't know why OnePlus is not doing that. If you are a casual user, the 64GB variant is enough for you. But if you are a heavy user, which you will be, that's why you're buying OnePlus 6, the 64GB variant is not enough for you for long-term usage. And the price gap between the 64GB and the 128GB is big. So I think OnePlus should have provided SD card slot, or at least they should have kept reasonable price gap between their variants. And the problem number 6 is for the old OnePlus customers. The OnePlus 6 pricing. The OnePlus is increasing their smartphone prices every year. And it's not like that they are increasing their prices a little bit there is a huge gap of increment, which is crazy. Remember the OnePlus One, which used to cost around 18,000 rupees. Also, that phone was a flagship phone of that time. It's been around 3 years now, and the OnePlus have not only increased their prices, but they have doubled the price of OnePlus smartphones, which is crazy. Also, the old OnePlus customers will be not happy because OnePlus used to be a brand for the mid-range market, but now it looks like they're competing with Samsung Galaxy or the iPhones. Not only in terms of specifications but also in terms of pricing. I think they're competing with iPhones or Galaxies like that, which is not fair at all for the old customers, because now OnePlus is focusing on advertisement more than to keep their smartphone pricing aggressively. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you want to see more cool videos on this OnePlus 6, subscribe to this channel now. And if you like this video and if you think I gave you really good information regarding this OnePlus 6, please give this video a big thumbs up and post your thoughts in the comment section and press that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching Unbox Extinction, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.